trying to keep my cool. I see what your colors shining, shining through.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and my channel's name is Queenchystyle, and this is the hashtag series of hair of number 1. So this is going to be something very interesting because I'm going to do a blow dry to my hair. As you guys can see, my hair is very wavy. So this is my wet hair. I just applied a serum to this, and now we are going to do the blow dry procedure, like self blow dry, how you can do a self blow dry. So by curling your hairs, it has two different curls. Like you can use so many things to curl your hair, but in blow dry we are going to use these two brushes. So we are going to use these two, and this is going to give you a small curls and this is going to give you a big curls, but I'm going to do the big curls for my hair. So I would prefer the big curls, and if you want your hair to be straight without any curls, you can always go for this flat brush. For the dryer, I'll be using a Vega's dryer. Now let's get into the video. So before we get into the video, I would like to say that I have a fringe haircut, which is, you know, in the front. As you guys can see, there will be a fringe as well as a step cut, which is going to give you the bounciness onto your hair if you have a very scanty hair, which I have a very scanty hair. So yeah guys, let's not talk too much and let's get into the video. The dryer is going to give noise, so you guys just watch and also practice how exactly I make it up. So as soon as I washed my hair, I washed my hair with a shampoo as well as a conditioner. Guys, do not skip the step of conditioner. As soon as you wash it with shampoo, do apply a conditioner. And after conditioner, my hair was wet. In wet hair only I applied a serum, and now I'm going to start up with the exact procedure. So before it gets dry, we'll have to start it up. So let's get started. I'm going to clip out the first portion and start doing the second portion of my hair. Comb it once.
Yeah, I do. That I do. Is it too much to ask? I don't want you back. I don't want you back. Is it too much to ask? I don't want you back. I don't want you back.
Always remove your curls in this way, so that, and it's okay even if you curl it or you like comb it over here. So once again,
No matter distance I cover, you always
bring it straight and curl it again.
there. This mother, please let me find another.
Now you can see the curl. Okay, so now I'm going to do this second part. So this is my first part and this is my second part.
Feels like
If you roll the hair in the way that it is being cut, then your curls are going to look very beautiful.
a silhouette. I'm not easy to forget. Pretend that we never met. I've been running away from you. I've been trying.
Now I'm going to comb both together, like only the rolls. So I'm going to bring it forward because my haircut goes in that way. And now take some.
I'm trying to keep my cool. I see what your colors shining through. Yeah, I do. That I do.
It's going to be hot, but just be careful. And it's going to come out very smoothly also. If it's okay, like you can just remove it in this way, and as you can see the curl. So this is going to be your end part of your hair, end of your hair. So this is my real hair, as you can see, and this is my blow dried hair. So now just do it all over your hair and you're going to look beautiful. So I'm going to put this hair behind and this hair is in the side. Now I'm going to do the first hair, which, so again I'm going to comb, and my fringe will be in separated because fringe size matters, like depends on your haircut, as I said you guys. Now I'm going to take the hair, again part it into two, clipping it up and doing this part. It's going to be too hot as well, guys, because it's too hot. Okay.
Is it too much to ask? I don't want you back. I don't want you back. Is it too much to ask?
So now this hair I'm going to put it behind. So now I'll take the first part, which is the upper one, from my left side. Again, going to clip my fringe.
I don't want you back. I don't want you back.
Now as you guys can see the difference between my right and the left hair, at the end do not use a comb, or do not use a roller to comb your hair. Just use your fingers, and now you can see my curls. And now let's get into the right side. So again I'm going to take the partition and going to clip it. If you get used to your both the fingers, both the hands, then you can do it easier. The blow dry techniques is something which you keep the dryer in this way, not towards your face. Like you can keep it in this way, like outside, but not to your face because the heat is too much. So always try to avoid it to your face. Here you go. So now we'll again take up all the hair and do the same thing. And that's done with the hair. So this part of the hair is totally done. I'll show you from the behind how it exactly looks, but before that there is little more left, and let's finish it up. And the final part of the hair. So I'm again taking up the fringe and still there is leftover hair. Last and the final is my fringe, which I'm just going to give a straight look. I'm totally done, and you guys can check out my hair. there is a bouncy in my front hair, like my fringe has a bouncy because I did it in my opposite way. So now as you guys can see my hair, after blow drying you have to just use your fingers to remove the knots, and look at the curls in the end of my hair. So look at the way it is turned out. Now this is up. Isn't it easy, guys? So I'm so super happy with my hair, and as I said you, I have a fringe cut and also a step cut. If you are somebody who is suffering from scanty hair, then just go for this cut. But yes, you are going to lose a lot of hair, but unfortunately scanty hair people, if they have a longer hair, it won't look that good. Long hair, I love long hair, but I'm not blessed to have a thick hair, but then I still will grow my hair. So yeah, as you guys can see, my hair looks so beautiful. If I have to show you from the behind, I'll show you right. And this is how my hair looks in the from the behind. So if I put a clip over here, you guys can see how beautiful it's going to look. And I personally love keeping my hair straight and loose. If sometimes I want, I can just clip it out here, and as you can see my hair, it's just so easy to carry when you have such beautiful curls. Like you have a straight hair and then you have a curls over here, and this is a very free curls which you can do anything and everything from your fingers. You can always set it up by your fingers, and this is not going to go until you wash your hair or if you get wet in the rain. And I'm in love with my hair and the way it turned out. So I hope you guys liked it. If you liked it, you know what to do. Just hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will be notified as soon as I post my new brand videos. And guys, if you also trying this look with the hairstyle, do let me know in the Instagram. If you haven't followed me on my Instagram, just go and check it out. I know you guys would love it. Also, you can see, you know, my front part looks bouncy. So that's it for my today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and do let me know in the comment section what exactly do you want to watch in my next video. I'll see you in my next best video. Till then, stay tuned and stay blessed, guys. Bye.